finally time. We are doing Kepler's laws. And here's the first law. The path of the planets around the sun is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. What does that mean? In our solar system, the planets that orbit around the sun are in elliptical orbit. We sometimes usually approximate it to that of a circle, but in reality it's a little bit squished, and the sun isn't necessarily in the center. So we call these the focal points, focal 1 and focal 2. And on one of them, the sun has to be on it. I have a bunny running around here, don't mind it. The planet orbits around this ellipse on that path. The uniqueness of this definition is as follows. The length from the planet to the sun and the length from the planet to the other focal point, if you add those two lengths at any given moment in time, they're equal to a constant. That value never changes. This is also a unique method of drawing an oval. Pin two nails down, have a thread between them, grab your marker, and you will perfectly be able to outline an ellipse or an oval shape. Isn't that right, Bambi?